We are working together with BIM technicians. We are electrical designers, they're BIM technicians, but we work together in Revit because Revit large, we don't have time usually. Page setup doing BIM technicians, but electrical designer also should know how to do it. They also they should be able to add views, sheets, different kind of details. So you see, I inserted architecture. It's a commercial building. If I go to 3D view, it looks like this, like 3-floor commercial building. From template, I have automatically by default there are 2 views when in the new file. I mean company template, a different idea. If we open elevations, this is 2 view right now we have here. This one, 2 lighting view, 2 power view, and ceiling. Ceiling means when you look from the bottom to the top in the room. This is ceiling views. This is views. There are also sheets. You have to create sheets. Now we don't have any sheet here. Sheets are here. Create like new sheet. For example, you see this is families. Architecture has families, electrical, mechanical, we all have families. But at the beginning, they're not all loaded, especially in your home. Usually, if we need, in the company, we can load family. There is special folder with all families. Here we have to go to, this is libraries installed together with Revit. Library. We are working US metric. If we need any family, we go to lighting. If we need lights in the family, you will see always 2 folders: architectural, MEP. Architecture also has families, but we are not architectural, we are MEP. We have our own families. It's a light. Architecture also has lighting family, but they are without connection, without power connection to it. It's just architectural shape.
Right.
For interior design. We need MEP. For example, we need lights. See, this is lights, internal lighting. We can load all of them if we need. Right now, I don't load. I also not sure if this we have something more than A1, but company has more than A1. They have all Canadian standards. Yes, A, B, C, D. Title block size. Also, title block will be provided by architect. It's a Revit file, separated Revit file. We will use it, we can link it, we can use it as family. So now we have these 2 views, level 1, level 2. But we need all views. 1, 2, 3, and roof. This is what we need. If we need these levels, we need these levels to show here. Lighting levels, power, all floors. Now we have just this one. First, we have level 1 and level 2. We need still 3 and roof. We should copy it from here. Copy. So to copy, we go to collaborate, copy, select link. So you see it's linked. We click on it. So you see ribbon changed. So we have to select it. Select. So we just click copy. If we select multiple, we can select everything like this with a frame. So we selected something, but we need only grid and levels. So we go to filter and uncheck walls, uncheck architectural lighting fixture, uncheck floors, just grids and levels. We need levels, but grids also. If architecture in future change grid, if we copy it and we will see these changes. For Revit, it's important because we're working in 3D. Yes, we're working in elevation and on walls. So if architecture move walls, we should see it. Usually grid indicated. So we copy grid and levels. So here we finish selection and finish. So now we copy it. You see, second, this one. We copied grids here, all of them, and grid also copied. Levels, we can show them here.